Hello everyone, welcome to Boost Your English. If you want to speak English confidently, you are in the right place. Learn. I am ready to learn.
I open my textbook. I open my textbook.
I speak English every day. Speak English every day.
Words. I learn new words. Carefully. I carefully. Repeat. Repeat the sentence. I repeat the sentence. I speak slowly.
Speak clearly. Speak clearly. Answer simple questions. I answer simple questions. I learn from mistakes. I learn from mistakes.
I try again. I try again.
I improve every day. I improve every day.
I study English at home.
I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. Open my notebook. I open my notebook.
New words. I write new words.
I read my notes.
Confidence. I speak with confidence. I greet my friends. I practice speaking.
I introduce myself. I introduce myself. Is John. My name is John. John.
Nice to meet you.
Nice.
To meet. You.
I am fine. Thank you.
Today is a good day. Today is a good day. English is very useful. English is very useful.
I am on time. I learn a new phrase. Learn a new phrase. Read aloud. I read aloud. Front of a mirror. I speak in front of a mirror. I practice pronunciation. I practice pronunciation. A short break. I take a short break. I open my workbook. I open my workbook.
And the lesson. I understand the lesson.
I review new words. I review new words. I write simple sentences.
My notes. I check my notes.
Remember new words. I remember new words.
I speak with a clear voice. Speak with a clear voice. I am getting better. I am better.
Learn something new. I learn something new.
I study new vocabulary. Study new vocabulary.
I finish my exercise. Finish
my exercise. Never give up. I never give up.